This week, we're going to boost our healthy breakfast game by reviewing cinnamon apple yogurt bowls from Skinnytaste. The recipe description simply says they're like having apple pie for breakfast without the crust. We'll start off by making them exactly as written, and at the end, I'll give a few tweaks that we use when enjoying these for breakfast at least once a week. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so these yogurt bowls were super easy to make. It's really just a matter of cooking the apples. I used plain yogurt and chopped pecans on top. For the apple, I used a Pink Lady variety and then pure maple syrup in place of the raw sugar, which is mentioned on the recipe page. Gina at Skinny Taste says you can make the apples ahead of time and let them cool to room temperature and then refrigerate for up to 5 days. My wife and I usually make these bowls about once a week with some variations, but I wanted to make them as written for this review. That first bite was delicious. I could taste the nutmeg right away. The plain yogurt was a nice base to build from. The apples were tender and had a balanced flavor with the cinnamon, nutmeg, and maple syrup. The chopped pecans added some crunchy texture and was a healthy addition. Overall, these yogurt bowls are worthy of 5 stars because they're an easy, healthy breakfast option with no muss and no fuss. Now, here are the variations that we use. We start off with vanilla yogurt and then use apple pie spice for seasoning. For the finishing touches, we add granola that includes honey, raisins, and almonds, and then usually some berries and bananas. We feel that those changes and additions makes this a 20-star recipe. These bowls are wonderful because they're highly adaptable to how you want them to be. I definitely recommend making them, and if you have other variations that you enjoy, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.